Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update, and let's do a pre-market update for today's trade. Let's look at stocks, how they're doing. So let's start with Bitcoin. Maybe let's go with Bitcoin. Before I go there, let me show you a chart. This is for MNQ Nasdaq. All right. So these are range charts. So let me focus on this middle chart. This is the best chart right now. So you can see right now I'm just getting a sell signal. I got a sell signal here on MNQ. This is a Nasdaq ETF around 8 a.m. this morning. And we always take trades above this white line or below this bottom white line. So bottom white line is around 17,460. Anything it goes below, we look to buy. You can see how nicely this trades indicator is working. Sell, buy, sell, buy. So it's pretty good. Just want to let you know we are on MNQ pretty overbought. So looking for some downwards move. So yeah, just be careful. This is not the time to go long. Just be very careful if you're long in this market. All right. And also this is the other 30-minute chart. Just wanted to show you. You can see getting a sell signal right now. This is also a pretty good indication of how market is doing 30 minutes. This is a linear regression chart. Sell here, buy here, sell here, sell here. So this is 30 minutes MNQ. Just getting sell signal right now. If I move to US 100, this one also same thing. Okay, so yeah, so just be careful. Multiple indicators are telling me to be a bit careful here. So I just wanted to show you that. And yeah, let's go to my famous buy sell chart. This is the chart I use. You guys are used to. I show every day. So anyhow, so let's go to so since we're talking about MNQ, we are still in the sell zone. You can see so neutral zone is around 17,397 and buy zone is 17,300. Okay, so futures can still drop from here to around 1.25%. If they drop, that's going to be nice buy zone. But if they come to neutral zone, they can still bounce from even neutral zone. So they can even come from here to neutral zone around 0.72 and then still bounce. All right, so massive moves. You can see Friday we had massive move, just continue going up, and today could be they might want to cool down a bit. So anything can happen. Okay, so be careful here. All right, and MES, this is S&P 500. Same thing here is in the sell zone. The buy zones are around 48, 38 and below. Neutral zone is 48, 58. All right, Dow Jones is this is around also in the sell zone. Right now, a neutral zone is 37,763, 37,631 and below is the buy zone, and Russell 2000. Let's see, let it load. This is also in the sell zone right now. You can see just bouncing in the sell zone, just going a little bit lower now. So again, this is also in the sell zone. Gold is in the neutral zone. We don't do anything in the neutral zone. 2014 and below look to buy. Silver down 2.99%, so which is very, very interesting. Give me a second. I'm just gonna, yeah, here you go. So gold is down. Hold on. I'm just gonna fix this setting so I can see it a bit better. Here you go. Sometimes these settings are kind of messed up, so you have to keep changing it. Okay, so give me a second. Here you go. I think that's better. So, sorry, just bear with me. Just trying to make sure it's perfect. All right, so this looks better. All right, so silver is in the buy zone. Okay, so silver is going here around 3% down. 21,934 as we talk right in the buy zone. Very, very rare for silver to go into buy zone. So it is going in the buy zone. So yeah, you should be looking to buy silver or silver miners, whatever is your favorite. Dollar is in the neutral zone, nothing to do here. Crude oil bouncing from the buy zone. It came to the buy zone and then bouncing. Natural gas, massive sell in the buy zone. But just be careful. Until February, mid-February, I think there's going to be downwards pressure on natural gas. So stay away until mid-Feb. Bitcoin touching buy zone and bouncing. So still in the near buy zone. Ethereum is still near buy zone. But I wanted to show you, which I told my subscribers, we are near gap fills. Okay, let's go to 1 hour chart quickly on Bitcoin and show you. Okay, so you can see this gap fill 39,405, 34,155, 29,740, 26,295, and 21,555. All these are the gaps which I'm expecting to fill. So be a bit careful on Ethereum. If I go to 1 hour chart, I released a video you can see in my profile. So 1843, 1850, 1613, 1427, and 1994, 1194. All these are the gaps to fill to the downside on Ethereum as well. All right. What else is interesting here? Copper is in the neutral zone. Soybeans near buy zone. Sugar just bouncing from buy zone. Wheat in the neutral zone. Corn is also in the buy zone. All right. Stock wise, let's quickly scan. Anything interesting here? Pre-market selling. NEO is down another 4% in the buy zone. XPE is down 7%. So it looks like China is still bleeding. Um, I forgot to add Baba here. So Baba and Baidu, BIDU. These two are the other big stock, Chinese stocks. So I'm gonna move these two. They're also down. You can see pre-market. So let's move these a bit higher. Where we're gonna put it? China. We can put it here. All right. So Alibaba is also in the buy zone. Oh shit! I need to go to 1 minute chart. Buy zone. Baidu is also in the buy zone. All right. Okay. All right. That's it, I think, for a quick recap. Again, levels on Bitcoin 4828, just pound touching buy zone. Ethereum down 3%, near second and third standard deviation in the buy zone as well. And MNQ is also now looks like it's selling. Tesla is for some reason down. They had a good news in the morning, but they want to keep it down. I think there was a news regarding full self drive beta, but looks like Morgan Stanley is cutting prices, so now they're going back to the buy zone. Anyhow, 208.66 is the buy zone on Tesla if you want to trade Tesla. UNH is also in the buy zone. You can see it came to a buy zone on Friday. Everything was going up. Tesla and UNH was selling, so they are in the in here in my radar. And also CNQ. I'm just keeping it here next to oil. It's still near buy zone, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. All right, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. And let's see if anybody have any questions. Also, I'm gonna log off. TikTok, Bitcoin. I told you about Bitcoin. Let me see. Let me fix this chart a bit. Here you go. That Thought Noodles. I told you about Bitcoin already. BTC here. Looking for these gaps. 13,405 first gap fill, and then 34,155, 29,740. Then 26,295 and 21,55. I don't know when they will be filled, but looks like they want to fill 39,405 first. Um, Saber SBR. What is SBR? Saber. Let's go to daily chart on Saber. Saber is, yeah, looking good. Looks like a back test. You can see this trend line. All they're doing is back test. So looks like it broke out. You can see this trend line, and if I add an indicator like oscillator matrix, you would know that this is high low. You can see it was going lower. Price was going lower on higher momentum on RSI, and still it can come for a back test. It can still go a little bit lower, around $60, and it can bounce. Okay, Sammy. So just look, it's looking good. So looking for a back test and then bounce. So it should be okay. All right, guys. That's it for today. I will happy Monday with training. Take care. Bye.